Samsung Galaxy S22 might not arrive with a time-of-flight sensor. Also, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 could be coming with a strong frame. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news from the Samsung world, and starting from the Galaxy S22 we are going to see the time-of-flight sensor has been ditched out by the company. A new report has been arrived courtesy to ET News which indicate that the next generation of flagship level device coming from Samsung next year might not be coming with a time-of-flight sensor. And according to this source, the consumer really did not find the 3D time-of-flight sensor that useful. The company did want to use the technology in the latest phones as Apple had incorporated their LiDAR scanner in the iPhone 12 series. However, it has decided against it, and therefore even the Galaxy S22 will not feature this sensor. The 3D time-of-flight sensor was first introduced back in 2018 and Samsung was the first company to use it. Honestly, there is a time-of-flight sensor that Samsung has already released back in November 2020 where this is going to be coming with a Vision technology that will massively improve the autofocus in the night mode. So honestly, I think that this is going to be a really controversial decision that Samsung has made on their part. So obviously we are far away from the official development of the S22 series, so take this leak as a pinch of salt because when the launch date will be arriving near, we may see the clear picture. And moving on towards the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, according to the Let's Go Digital, found a new trademark application for the South Korean tech giant. The trademark carried out the term armor frame, although the application did not reveal finer details regarding what that term implies. However, this likely related to company upcoming foldable smartphone. At the moment, the Galaxy Z Fold and the Z Flip features an aluminum-based frame that aren't as strong as the stainless steel alternative, and another disadvantage of choosing the aluminum is that it tends to lose its strength over the period of time, which is especially bad for handsets that centered around. Furthermore, the trademark does not specify mention of any other material either, but it could be probably that company might offer carbonate titanium to add extra strength to the frame of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3. This is also offers an inherent advantage of making the device lighter as well, and currently we haven't heard any rumors or reports regarding the new frame from the company or any other mentioned armor frame. So take this report with a pinch of salt for now and stay tuned for more updates. Last but not least, Samsung is also planning to announce two budget level Samsung tablets, and they are going to be the Tab S7 Lite and the Tab A7 Lite. Both of these devices are going to be expected to come in the month of June alongside with the Galaxy Z Fold lineup. So what you are seeing right now are the press render for the upcoming Tab S7 Lite and E7 Lite, and both are looking absolutely great in terms of their price category. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts about the armor frame and also the S22 Ultra, which is ditching the time-of-flight sensor, in the comment section below. And as always, if you are new here, do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching. Peace.